Hi everybody, today I'm gonna fix this. Okay, so what happened is the Teflon head has exploded on that side, and I bought this hammer originally and they told me, oh yeah, sure, you can get new heads. They're very cheap, they're very easy to find, not a problem. I found the guys this morning, no, can only get a new hammer. And I felt, ooh, that's a shame. I mean, a new hammer? There's nothing wrong with this one, except the obvious broken head part. But I mean, the handle's sturdy, the head's completely in. I'm going to show you closely. Why buy a new one when I have the tools to fix this one? So, this is what I'm going to do. I've always wanted a hammer with a brass head, and I could never justify the amount of money necessary to buy them. For those of you who know, specialty hammers are quite expensive. So I have this piece of turning brass, and I have this plastic bushing piece of Teflon. So I'm gonna turn a new Teflon head on the one side and a brass head on the other side and press fit them together. And voila! And over here, badly litten, is some sort of mechanical machine brewdad. Let me show you. As clearly stated by this is definitely some sort of TH1 machine thing. By no means am I a machinist of any sort or very skilled with the lathe, but I have one. Let's clean it and let's get machining. After some serious reading, the right speed was selected. That one there's about, and I think we're ready to go. So, many of you may be wondering why I've made a hammer this strange, with a brass and a Teflon head. I mainly use the Teflon head for hammering bangles round, and the extra weight of the brass will also help with that. The Teflon gives away when you hit it, so it doesn't damage your shape of your bangle. And the brass side of the hammer can be used when hammering hardened steel punches, that type of tooling metal, without shattering it. It's also softer than your mild steel or standard casted steel hammer tips, so it will be able to do a different job. And the more range you have and options you have when you're working, and better tools you have, the better the quality of your work can be. I'm looking forward to using this. I've never owned a brass mallet, mainly because I'm stingy and I don't want to pay the amount of money that they ask for them. They are quite expensive, and I thought this would be an ideal candidate to make. This took me roughly an hour and a half or so in the workshop this afternoon. Now that it's completed, I can't wait to give it a test drive. Come and join me in the next upcoming videos and see how I work with this hammer to create beautiful things and hopefully not break anything. Like and subscribe, we really appreciate it. Comments, leave them below, and hope to see you in the next one.